The handheld gaming market is heating up, with new contenders pushing the boundaries of performance and versatility. On one side, we have the Nintendo Switch 2, expected to build on the success of its predecessor with improved hardware, better graphics, and enhanced portability. On the other, there's the ROG Ally X, an anticipated upgrade to Asus's powerful handheld PC, promising even better speed and customization options. While the Switch 2 is expected to prioritize exclusive Nintendo games and a user-friendly hybrid experience, the ROG Ally X aims to offer a full-fledged PC gaming experience on the go. But which one is the better choice for gamers? Let's compare these two upcoming handhelds to see how they stack up. The Nintendo Switch 2 takes everything great about the original and makes it even better, especially when it comes to versatility. Whether you're gaming on the go, setting it up in tabletop mode, or docking it for a full TV experience, switching between modes feels effortless. The updated Joy-Cons are a nice touch. They're bigger for a more comfortable grip, snap on securely with a magnetic system, and even come with programmable buttons and Bluetooth support for extra customization. Plus, it's lightweight, so you can play for hours without feeling like you're lugging around a brick. On the other hand, the Asus ROG Ally X leans more into the high-end handheld gaming PC experience. It skips detachable controllers in favor of sturdier joysticks and a sleek, polished look. That said, it's definitely heftier than the Switch 2, which might make it less convenient for gaming on the go. So, Nintendo Switch 2 wins in terms of portability and versatility due to its hybrid form factor and lighter build. Nintendo Switch 2 is gearing up to improve on its predecessor with a bigger, higher-resolution 10.7-inch screen, potentially going beyond the 720p resolution of the original. Nintendo has always been great at optimizing its displays to offer vibrant colors while maintaining good energy efficiency, meaning longer battery life and smooth gameplay, even at lower resolutions. ROG Ally X, on the other hand, is expected to feature an upgraded 7-inch 1080p touchscreen panel with a high refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This would make for a much sharper, smoother execution, especially for competitive gamers or those who enjoy fast-paced action. The Ally X's screen will probably outshine the Switch 2 when it comes to pixel density and refresh rate, making it the better choice for PC gamers who care about impressive visuals. If the Switch 2 supports things like variable refresh rate or HDR, it might even close the display quality gap with high-end handheld PCs. In the end, while the Ally X might win when it comes to raw display specs, the Switch 2's display will likely be tailored to deliver a unique Nintendo experience, making both devices appealing to different kinds of gamers. The Nintendo Switch 2 is shaping up to be a big leap forward, building on the success of the original Switch with an even better hybrid gaming experience. The idea is to give players the best of both worlds, playing on the go or docked at home. With a custom NVIDIA processor, probably the Tegra T239, it's set to deliver better graphics, smoother performance, and better battery life. That means players can expect to run more demanding games with higher resolutions, both handheld and docked. On the contrast, Asus's ROG Ally X is targeting a different crowd, those who crave serious power for their portable gaming. With an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip and RDNA 3 graphics, it's all about high-end conduction, with a clear focus on running demanding AAA titles smoothly. If you're looking for a handheld that can rival traditional consoles or even a PC, the ROG Ally X is the one to watch. It definitely outshines the Switch 2 when it comes to raw power, especially for graphically intense games. Talking about battery life, the Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to offer a more efficient battery, with reports suggesting a runtime of up to 9 hours for gaming on moderate settings. It benefits from a custom NVIDIA Tegra chip that balances power and performance, optimizing energy consumption. In comparison, the ROG Ally X boasts a higher-end AMD Ryzen Z1 series processor, providing a performance boost. But this comes with a trade-off in battery life. The ROG Ally X typically lasts around 2 to 4 hours of gaming, depending on the intensity of the games being played. But here's where the Switch 2 has the edge. It's not just about how it's performing. It's the games and the hybrid functionality that make it stand out. If you're a fan of Nintendo's exclusive titles and want something that can be both portable and docked, the Switch 2 is probably the better pick. It all comes down to what matters more to you: superior performance or versatility, and exclusive gaming experiences. The Nintendo Switch 2 is built on a user-friendly, custom operating system that prioritizes simplicity. Its interface is all about quick access to games and features like multiplayer lobbies or parental controls. But if you're looking for customization options like you'd get on a PC, you won't find them here. Running on Windows, Asus ROG Ally X runs on gives you way more freedom to tweak your system. You can dive into mods for your games, use productivity apps like Microsoft Office or Photoshop, and even hook it up to an external GPU for a performance boost when it's docked. So versatility-wise, Ally X has the edge. Nintendo seems to be sticking with its usual approach of keeping things affordable, which is great for families who want a budget-friendly gaming console. It looks like the Nintendo Switch 2 could be priced somewhere between $399 and $499. Meanwhile, the Asus ROG Ally X, which is a pretty powerful handheld PC gaming device, comes in at around $800. You're definitely paying for high-end specs like the AMD Ryzen Z 1 Extreme APU and a 120Hz display. It's clearly aimed at gamers who want serious power and a full PC game library in their pocket. So, while the Switch 2 is perfect for casual gamers who love exclusive Nintendo titles and the option to game on the go, the ROG Ally X is really for the hardcore crowd that needs high-level execution. For the final statement, both the Nintendo Switch 2 and the ROG Ally X are great handheld. Each cater to different types of gamers. The Switch 2 showcases its hybrid design, allowing for portable gaming without sacrificing its ability to connect to a TV. Plus, it comes with a solid collection of exclusive Nintendo games, which makes it perfect for casual gaming or on-the-go play. And the ROG Ally X is a powerhouse, as it offers top-level visuals and can handle demanding PC games, making it the go-to for serious gamers who care about high-end graphics and speed. So, if you're a fan of Nintendo or just want a laid-back gaming experience, the Switch 2 is the way to go. But if you're looking for superior speed with a wide range of games and don't mind spending a little extra, the ROG Ally X is definitely the way to go.